In this lesson, we'll learn how to use the Spanish verb venir, which means to come. Like ir, it's an irregular verb, so its forms don't follow the usual conjugation patterns. But don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you'll know how to say I come, you come, and more. The present tense forms are vengo, vienes, viene, venimos, and vienen. Let's learn how to use venir to talk about people coming to places. The verb venir changes depending on the person we are talking about. Here is a list of the present tense forms based on who is doing the action. Yo vengo, I come. Tú vienes, you come. Él viene, he comes. Ella viene, she comes. Ellos vienen, they come. Ellas vienen, they come, all female. Ustedes vienen, you all come. Nosotros venimos, we come. Nosotras venimos, we come, all female. Yo vengo de la escuela. I come from school. Él viene del parque. He comes from the park. Ella viene del supermercado. She comes from the supermarket. Ana viene del aeropuerto. Anna comes from the airport. Ellos vienen de la playa. They come from the beach. Ellas vienen del centro comercial. They come from the shopping center. Ustedes vienen del hotel. You all come from the hotel. Nosotros venimos del mercado. We come from the market. Nosotras venimos del hospital. We come from the hospital. Well done! You've just completed the short lesson on the present tense verb venir. Now you know how to say things like I come and she comes, using forms like vengo, vienes, viene, venimos, and vienen. You also saw how to use venir with places, like in Yo vengo del parque and Ella viene de la escuela. Now you're ready to talk about people coming from different places in Spanish. Excellent work!